Well, welcome back to the shed, and got a slightly different problem here today. Something much newer than you'd normally see on my channel, and it's a power supply board from the Mrs. Computer Monitor, which is one of those flat things with a switch mode, as you'd expect power supply. Now, what's happened is she just simply couldn't get the thing to start, and the tower appeared to be working all right, but unfortunately the screen wouldn't light up at all. It just kept flashing the little green light off and on. It's a Dell screen. It must be, well, fairly elderly, I suppose. But looking at the capacitors in here, now most of these seem to be all right. In fact, they all appear okay. There's no if I zoom in a bit, you might get a better view of it, or maybe not. But this one here, which is rated 16 volts, 1000 microfarad, is bulging. That was the first thing I noticed. The others, the top is flat, and that immediately makes you suspicious of the capacitors. And the trouble is, with a lot of modern kit, and even some not so modern kit actually from the 90s onwards, they tend to sail the ratings as close to the wind as they possibly can get away with, but especially nowadays. And of course this leads to premature failure, which it's done here. And what they've put that gunk there for, I don't know. Now, I've got a 1000 microfarad capacitor here, but it's rated at 50 volts. Now that won't be a problem. What you don't want to do is to put one in there that's rated at less voltage, because this was clearly sailing too close to the wind, and if you put too low a voltage rating in there, it will just go pop, and that's the end of that. So there we have it. I shall solder another one in, and we'll see if it works. In all probability it will. I found a flat screen LED telly not so long ago, LED, LCD, whatever they call them now, and this had very much the same sort of power supply board in it, and there was a bulging cap in there, or two actually, and I changed the two of them, and blow me, wouldn't you know it, the thing worked. So there we have it. The little Ferguson Studio 2000 music centre is coming on very well. In fact, it's ready to go. I've got a pair of speakers I've found for it, which sound quite nice with it. Well, very nice actually. Check the tracking force on the cartridge. It tracks at about 4.5 grams. No great shakes. I know some of the hi-fi fanatics watching this will be horrified. New belts, brand new playback and record head, everything cleaned up, all service old, all put back together again. And so now I think it might be time to put this on eBay. You can't keep them all after all, can you? It gets ridiculous. Where are you? You keep meowing, don't you? First of all you want to come in the shed and then you start meowing. It's because he is Siamese, if you please. You see, I've got my little helper here. He says, "Oh, you do it like that, do you?" I don't think I'd do it like that. And the weather here is horrible. 1 minute it's blinding sun, next minute rain, and then hail. The only nice thing about it is that we have had some very nice rainbows over the town today, I have to say. Was there something? Excuse me. Yes, oh dear. Yes, I can see what I'm going to be doing in a minute. Yes, worshipping the cat, His Highness, of course. Anyway, new capacitor time, and we'll see you soon. Take care out there. Well, back together again. I'm reconnected to my wife's computer. As you can see, the new capacitor has brought this screen back to life. The picture is sharper than it was before as well, because of course it's now got a working power supply. And there we are. It was slowly but surely going out of focus just a little bit. So there you have it. Tiny little component called a capacitor was sufficient to bring this whole thing shuddering to a halt. And in most houses, of course, people haven't got a clue what to do, and so they throw it away and go and buy another one and experience exactly the same thing again in a few years. Yes, be cynical, I don't know what you're talking about. See you soon.